Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with the app you want pinned on one side. This matters because not all apps declare split support. Once the first app is open, make sure you use the Recent Apps gesture or button to view multitasking. Then either long press its title bar or tap the app icon to reveal the split screen option. Choose Split Screen to dock it at the top or left. This initial choice defines layout orientation and which app occupies fixed space while you pick the second app. Once the first app is docked, select the second app from your recent list, home, or app drawer. The system will fill the remaining space automatically. Make sure to drag the central divider slowly to resize. Moving it changes the percentage of screen each app receives, and small adjustments improve readability and touch targets. If an app needs full attention, use the full screen toggle, then return to split view. You can also save app pairs for faster repeat use. To finish, slide the divider fully to one edge to close an app or tap the \home gestures to return to single app mode. This prevents accidental input. If split screen doesn't engage, restart the tablet, ensure EMUI and apps are updated, and confirm multitasking gestures are enabled in settings, because software state often blocks split. As a last resort, open App Info for the misbehaving app and check permissions or background activity. Forcing split mode, there can resolve compatibility quirks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.